Right, assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to the Bonk update. And I haven't talked about Bonk. I don't know why, but it's been a while that I haven't actually made any update about it. Okay, so we have almost 3 days left to also close June entry, private entry for private trades, signals, and whatnot. So message me if you're interested in that. Now, by the way, we have a lot of sideways movement going on and sideways action going on with Bonk, but I do see that Bonk is maintaining some support line in here. So if I do draw this support line right over here, you can see that Bonk is really pretty much holding on to that particular support line. So we're having our answers day by day, and I think this is what we're doing currently right now. And I'm going to extend the trend lines in here, and I think we have a junction until 12th of June, which is still a long time in here. That's going to be like 15 days more, and within the next 15 days we can actually see another break happening. So I'm not saying it's going to take 15 days. It could even be earlier than 15 days, by the way. But the thing is, this is if we go with the flow of how Bonk is looking, especially right now, I'm just studying the 1 hour time frame. We don't really need to focus on anything else, especially when you're trying to trade the short term. Your stop losses can actually be down at 1924 if someone is trying to trade the support and resistance, even 1909. And there are chances we see Bonk moving up to this upper trend line of 2398. So if things go the way as they're looking like, then I think we have a nice 14% move coming up next, and then you can actually short that thing again and make another impressive so after 14%, if you short it 11%, and that actually brings you up all the way to 26% win. So I think it is a pretty easy trade. I don't think this is a difficult one. I would actually say right now it's actually a little bit high, but if it actually comes down to maybe 1995 again and touch that trend line, don't focus on the price, just focus on this trend line, right? If it just comes down and touch the trend line one more time, I think you can get an entry with a stop down at 1919, and that's gonna be almost, how much is this risk gonna be? Like, that's gonna be 4%. Okay, that's huge, right? That is gonna be very huge. But then the reward is gonna be almost 20% move to the upside. Kind of worth it if you especially don't use too much money and do some money management. I think this can actually be a very nice trading opportunity along down the road. So that's it for this update on Bonk. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.